I'm Anders and welcome to Adventure North. Today I'm going to talk about my new set of tires. During this summer I have been riding on Mitas Trail Enduro XT Plus and they have performed well and I'm pleased with them. But I came across tires that I have never heard of before and well, I needed new tires, so why not try them out? So today I put on tires from Rebel, and the model is called Explorer 1. They are tubeless, they are road legal, they are classified as 10% on-road and 90% off-road. They were easy to put onto the rim. I had some problems with the front tire though, because the bead didn't want to seat correctly onto the rim. Besides that, it was no problem at all get them onto the rim and get them to seal against the rim. So today I have been riding with 24 psi in the front tire and 22 in the rear tire. The front tires felt good, and the rear tire I think I should drop the psi to maybe 20 or 21. I think that will improve the feeling of the tire. So I have been riding on gravel roads, on tarmac, on the grass and some rocky sections, and so far they feel really good. They perform well. On road the Mitas is better, that's for sure. And maybe on gravel roads. But besides on road and gravel roads, these Rebel tires I think perform better than Mitas. But it's a bit early to say for sure. And I will try to get back with a more detailed review when I have put on more hours on these tires. So let's finish this video with some more off-road riding. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do and help me grow the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.